Hello students, today we will move in set theory, we will move forward in set theory. Today the topic is subset and power set we will study. This is going to be more interesting. So students, I have made this 3-4 lecture set theory in simple understanding way so that you can able to solve any of your exercise question without any hesitation. After studying this 3-4 lecture of set theory, you will be able to solve your all questions, examples, NCERT based. Okay, so today we will study about some, we can say, types of set, or we can say it is part of set theory. Subset, power set, like universal set. So we are starting from topic subsets. What do you mean by subsets? First, we will look to definition. If every element of set A is contained in set B, here, as in definition of set, we have studied the collection of set. In definition of subset, we are studying contained in this term, mathematically called as subset. So, what is the definition? If every element of set A is contained in set B, then set A is called a subset of set B. We will understand this by an example. Let us take an example. For example, set A is taken 1, 2, and set B taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have taken two sets A, which has element 1 and 2, and set B, which has element 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, here you can notice some elements are same. Means you can say 1 and 2. 1 and 2, that we are talking about here elements. 1 and 2 element belongs to set A, and 1 and 2 belongs to set B as well. So here it implies set A is subset of set B. This is the symbol of subset. Means, now look at the definition again. Every element of set A means 1 and 2 contained in set B, 1 and 2. Then set A is called a subset of B. And A is called a subset of B. We will take another example to understand this. Set A 1, 2, 3, and set B 1, 2, 3. Here, element 1, 2, 3 belongs to set A, and element 1, 2, 3 belongs to set B as well. So we can simply say A is subset of B. This is the symbol of subset. So here we can say A is subset of B because every element contained in of A, every element of set A contained in element B, set B. But in these two examples, you see some difference. In both examples, you can notice some difference. What is that? Here, elements 1 and 2, it has number of elements 2 and it has number of elements 5. Here, both have same number of elements. So, here it takes sign of equals to also. A is contained in B and A is equal to B also. So, in set theory, both different examples have different names of it. I will tell you I would say if set A is subset of B and A is not equal to B, means number of element in A is not equal to number of element in B, then it is called a proper subset. It is called a proper subset. Okay. For this condition, if A is subset of B and A equals to B, then it is called as improper subset. So these are two parts, two different examples and two different conditions of subset. Now, students, you will have a question from topic subset. What if set A has element 3, 4 and set B has element 4, 5, 6, 7? A is subset of B or not? Tell me answer in comment section. Okay. Now we will study some facts about subset. There are 3 facts we will study sequentially. First, set A has element A and B and set B has element A, B and C. Here we know A is subset of B and B is superset of set. A is subset of B and B is superset of B. So sign of superset is. Second fact, every set is subset of itself. What does it mean? Here we can take this set A and B element. It simply says A is subset of A. Means A has 2 elements and this set A has also 2 elements. Means A is subset of A. But which subset? Proper or improper? So it will be improper subset always for every set. Because both have same number of elements. Next, I is subset of every set. We have studied about phi, its empty set, null set or void set. It is subset of every set. Means phi is subset of A. Phi is subset of B as well. And which type of subset is this, proper or improper? This is proper subset. Now, here is the question. Find the subsets of set which has element -1, 0 and 1. You have to find subsets of this set. How? What are they? We will simply write subsets of this set. Here you can write set A. What are the elements -1, 0 and 1? So -1. If you make set having one element -1, this will be subset of this set. Yes. Then 0. This will be also subset of this. 1. And what are the subsets? These are singletons. Now we will take two elements. Minus 1, 0, minus 1 and 1. Minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1 and 0 and 1. These are two element sets. And we have minus 1, 0 and 1 also. And last but not least, 5. As we have studied now, 5 is subset of every set. Every set and 5 subsets. So we have how many subsets of this set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total we have 8 subsets for this set. If you were to find number of subsets, so you will take this from 2 to power n, where n belongs to number of elements in set. Okay, like for example, if if I will ask you set A, how many number of subset for this set A? So we can directly conclude by this formula 2 to power n. 2 to power number of subsets 2 to power n. What does it mean? 1, 0, 2, 4. So this set has 1, 0, 2, 4 subsets, including 5. What if I ask you 5 is subset of 5? Does what if I ask empty set will be a subset of empty set? Yes or no? So yes, it will be a subset of yes. In which one? So it is improper subset. We will apply the concept of subset in mathematics in types of numbers. Like we have types of number like natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, real number, and complex number. How they are related in terms of subset. Natural number is subset of whole number. Whole number is subset of integers. Integers are subset of rational number. In rational number are subset of real number. And similarly, go on. So this is the order in mathematics types of numbers. Natural number starting from 1 to infinity, and whole number which is starting from 0 to infinity. So natural number is subset of whole number. Whole number is again subset of integers, and similarly go on. Now we will move forward. We will look at another topic, power set. What do you mean by power set? A set of subsets of given set. Look at this line. Look at this line. Subsets of a given set means subset of given set and their set is called power set. Means basically it is collection of subsets. It means collection of subsets. For example, you will understand this by example. Let us take set A. Now, we have taken set A in which there are two elements 1 and 2. Now, initially we will have to find the number of subset or what are the subset of this set. Subsets will be 1, 2, 1, 2, and 5. These are the subsets. Now, what do you mean the power set of this set? It is collection of subsets. Simple. So here it is written as P and bracket A, power set of A. So it is collection of subsets. So make is that write all the subsets. So here, this is our solution. Our set of A. What if you have to find number of elements in power set of A? Same formula is applied to the power n because it is collection of subsets already. 2 the power 2. That is 4. Because it has two elements, 2 the power 2, that will give you 4. So we have 4 elements in power set of A. Here is the question for you. How many elements are there? How many elements are there in power set of 5? Tell me in this comment section. Thank you.